It does. For E85. That take over. Yeah, no, I'm joking. I used to pray for times like this.
Wait, hold on. Let's focus on. The camera is not focused. Okay.
I wouldn't have been able to do it. How y'all doing? All right, thank you again. Oh man, getting out of cars is always awkward. You know that joint right there.
You vlogging?
Trying, man. I'm trying. Oh, you got your joint right there. So you don't care about being on camera?
No, I'm sure I'm cool. All
right. What car you brought, man?
C706, the one that's the matte black one.
So they got this joint blacked out like a strip club.
What?
The windows.
It was good. People can't just see here, but yeah, they were putting a wideband in my bed. So.
Putting what in there?
A wideband. So you check my AFRs while I'm tuning and shit.
I don't know what that means. I can't get the bug with you. You boosted or anything like that? Pro Charge?
Yeah, Pro Charge heads cam.
So like P1X, D1X. So you make a lot of power?
Around 1,000, yeah.
Oh, said that so casually.
It's a bad word to be in.
Yeah. So I just got mine boosted, my Mustang.
Okay. What you got?
So I got a 2017 Mustang GT in there. Yeah. I got the ESS G2 on it.
Is it the one that's in front of the?
Yeah, it's that red one.
Yeah.
It's probably right next to yours. I'm not sure. I just glimpsed in there when I came in.
I think so.
It's like that color red right there. That dark wine red.
Yeah, I saw it in there. Nice shit.
Yeah, ain't making 1,000 though.
I mean, we gotta see what it make. It make right here. We'll see.
He said I
it's
should.
like 970 in California, so I been retuning and fixing my other shit. So.
You be on YouTube?
Yeah, I mean, I was monetized for a few years. I moved here from Nebraska. Stopped YouTube and I stopped YouTube. I just do vlogging. I might upload something every now and then. See, because I reloaded my videos back. I just gotta like get a little bit more support to get my monetization back. So I think like 3,000 subscribers. So.
Sure, I'll support you if you give me the name.
Yeah.
I don't got no problem with that.
I'll subscribe. What's yours?
Rowdy Ren.
Rowdy Red.
Ren, R-E-N-N.
Rowdy Red. Right here.
Yep. Yeah, you can pictures in there.
Here's a video of our archive your videos. And it like, cause I didn't post for like a year and a half.
Was only just one. So
okay.
Just get you one more breather out of here. AutoZone has it. It's like $15.99.
Okay.
And your cash can range should be all the way in the corner underneath. And put the quick release too.
Yeah, I appreciate that one. So for the extras, you said for that, and then pay for that one too, right?
One more, yeah.
Okay.
Just get one more out of AutoZone.
You said it was $15.99?
I think $15.99 or $13.99. I got it on the invoice.
Okay.
Yeah. And here's the block. That's where your original line comes out of here. It goes to the manifold. No more. So it's already blocked right here.
Okay. Yeah, I like how clean this is.
Yeah.
So this is the small one, right? The G2?
G2, yeah.
And they're bigger than this?
There's two more units. There's the G3 and there's the G4.
And they're bigger than that?
Yeah, I can show you the G3 one.
Because that looks huge.
It's on the blue one. They're kind of the same size. Yeah, here's the dyno. It's still waited on 4 posts. Here's the G3.
Was that? Sorry for my ignorance.
No, you're good. It's the velocity, no more filter.
Okay.
He raced it a lot, you know, and he chased power.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I know I'm going like straight suspension next,
Yeah.
so I want to be able to pit it all down.
Suspension, fuel system next, you know. Motor is good for 800 to 850.
Okay.
Yours, this one is the Gen 3. It's good for 1,000, 1,100.
The car stinks. I can smell it from over here.
Huh?
I can smell that car from over here.
It doesn't smell bad, to be honest.
Dang, that whine is loud. Ugh, I'm so petite. Yeah, they got some whips in here, some crazy cars. Look at this.
That's pretty good.
It does. Dang. So for all this burning off, that's like old, you said residuals?
That's steam, normal.
Okay.
The next all thing should clear off.
Okay. Nice. So I can, oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, getting the sticker.
Connect to the whole phone.
Gotta let them know I'm racing all soccer moms. No one is safe. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. I know. Appreciate it. Too bad it's raining, ain't it? I know. I'm not even finna risk it. Nah. I like living. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stiffen my suspension. Bro, this blower is loud. Like, oh, it's on me. Oops. This thing is loud. Like when you close the valves, it's just loud. Thing be whistling, whining. I got my engine bay detailed, the fender. Yeah. And then this one that goes down by the intercooler. Yeah, go ahead, do that. So me neither.